All right, it's December 6th and the last fruits of the season, even later than persimmons, are medlars. Some of my previous edible landscape videos, you've seen this tree in full leaf. It's a beautiful landscape tree, 12, 15 feet tall. It's in the apple family, so it has really pretty leaves and a small habit. It's really one of my favorite edible landscape trees. And the fruit, so what's cool about the fruit is you actually harvest it now in the winter after a couple of frosts. And inside, you have this applesauce consistency that tastes like cinnamon and applesauce. And if you're familiar with tamarind, a little bit of tamarind, kind of like a little bit of like a natural sour applesauce. What do you say, Wyatt? Cool.